I'm Merrill Ritter, a retired orthopedic surgeon. I've been coming here ever since the second year he started, so it's somewhere around 93 to 95. I've probably done as many courses as I am old, and I'm 83. It could be high 70s, not sure. But woodworking is a wonderful, wonderful pastime. I used to build cars. My wife wanted me to get into something else since I couldn't do that very well anymore. So I started woodworking in 1990, and I have never looked back. I love coming here. The education, the learning, the great instructors. How could you ever ask for anything else? Like I said, I was a retired orthopedic surgeon. I used to do hip and knee replacements and did somewhere around 10,000 in my lifetime. I would encourage those that have never taken up woodworking to start with a basic woodworking course. You need to learn all the safety of all the different machines, and after you learn this, the sky's the limit. Everything you would want to ever do regarding woodworking and many other things can be found right here. This is a wonderful place to spend a week of your time, and you will never regret what you learned here.